नमस्कार, मैं हूं हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया में, जो कि हो रहा है भारत मंडपम में। इस एग्जीबिशन को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज़ ने। वेलकम टू वर्ल्ड फूड इंडिया सर, एंड व्हाट वाज द ऑब्जेक्टिव बिहाइंड स्टार्टिंग दिस कंपनी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल?
Alright, yeah, hi. I saw the entire industry related to the spice, and I really found like there's a gap. Like if you figure out in every industry, right from your phones to the cars that you buy, there is a segment that has been created. Right now, what we see, all the products in the market, if I talk especially about the Indian market, we see they are dealing with the same sort of spices. There's no, new additions. There's no decent development, and the taste has not been changed. So what we did, like when I was in London, I went around, I figured out the quality of spices which are being sourced there. It's not the real one. And India being a place where the spices are grown the most and highest producing state, we realized it's really the need of the time that we, cut down the middleman, source directly from the farms and give the quality spices that people actually need. Because spices are the source and the, main ingredient which makes the food, get the get the jaan of the dish. Correct. So
As packaging is very important part of any product.
Correct.
So how do you choose your packaging?
Correct. So right from the day one, I was very sure that I don't want our brand to be, in any way harm the nature. So we are very sustainable brand. So the reason of choosing a tin box is like it is a climate neutral solution. If you open it, if you use it, you can reuse it. There's no way that you're gonna. Yes, correct. If nothing, you can just put some, your any empty stump on the boxes.
Like a container.
It's like a container, right? So we always want like the thing should not be wasted. Like we should be helpful to the environment as well.
Very nice thoughts, sir. And tell me something about your product range.
So we have three different types of categories in spices. We have three powdered spices, actually turmeric and coriander. That also we source directly from the farms, cutting down the middleman, making sure you get the finest spice. And we also have 11 types of blended spices, right from rajma to chole to biryani, which are also our unique recipe that we have developed. Otherwise, six sort of whole spices also we have developed, that which we are selling.
What are your future plans for expansion?
So we are all ready to go to the US market and get people taste our spice ranges. For example, the cardamom that we have sourced, it's directly from the farms of Idiki, and there if you see the quality and the volatile oil content of the spice is too high that it would be very beneficial. So we plan to get into the US by the next month, and our plans are settled. Like we have our office in UK and we are planning to go into the European markets as well in the next 2-3 months. While Indian market, we are really doing well. We have been luckily we've been the best sellers on Amazon on different products. In fact, our chaat masala is one of our USP kind of product as well. So we all are ready to make people try the spices of India, which makes India the unique one. So
Thank you
that's
so
the
much,
vision.
sir. Thank you.